Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich with your outlook for Wednesday, July 31st, 2013. Starting off again with the European model for today, and we're giving you a quick synoptic overview of what's going on. High pressure was sitting over top of us yesterday and is now going to be pushing offshore and setting up shop out here. Because of the high pressures out here, the clockwise flow around this high pressure is going to allow for a southerly wind, or southerly and southwesterly wind component to develop. And because of that, it will be a partly sunny day today again, and fair weather is expected for Wednesday, but we're going to have an increase in humidity over much of our area today, so we'll feel warmer with a little more moisture in the air today, and dew points rising as a result of that southwesterly flow. Not expecting any precipitation on Wednesday at all, but we go further in time here, and you'll see the system down here. This is all part of a warm front that is going to be pushing northward, and at the same time, low pressure is going to form along this. There's going to be a front that's going to be sitting here like this, and a area low pressure that's going to form along it. Actually, it has already formed down here, and all this precipitation is going to move northeastward with this frontal boundary. And at the same time, another front that's way up here is all going to kind of converge in the same area here, right over top of our area here on Thursday. So we are expecting some heavier rain embedded within this batch of rain moving through. And it's one of those situations where we have very high precipitable water amounts, and there's actually going to be a theta E ridge sitting right over top of our area in the afternoon and evening, so this could also enhance the rainfall on Thursday. And we move ahead here. I want to show you what we're looking like. Here's Thursday morning, just some spotty showers starting to move in here early in the morning. By midday, you got heavier stuff over central PA, and that moves eastward into in the afternoon. So you do have some heavier rain moving over, mainly over central and eastern PA is what we're looking at for the heaviest precipitation. But this is one of those situations where anywhere in our coverage area here, basically within this block here, somebody in here is going to get actually most areas in here are going to get generally in and around an inch of rain, but somebody in here is going to get some flash flooding with some of these heavier showers and thunderstorms moving over the same areas that can produce well over an inch of rain, and we could be talking about several inches of rain for some areas. It's just very difficult to pinpoint down exactly where within here, within this circle, is going to get it, but there is that potential anywhere within that area that I circled here in our coverage area of seeing that on Thursday. Stay tuned to the Facebook pages. We'll have you updated further if there is a more specific area that does develop. But right now, it's just one of those follow the radar deals. And if you see something coming toward you on the radar, and it has the ability to train over the same areas and will present a flooding concern, and that could be coming from the National Weather Service. Now, this does move out fairly quickly. Here's Friday morning. You can see there's nothing over our area here on Friday. And then Friday, Saturday looks okay here. Now, there is going to be a weak frontal boundary here that's going to move through actually Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. There is a chance of an isolated shower that we left in the forecast here, just because the European model is showing. There's some other sources that are also showing it, but that presses down south of our region for the most part here on Saturday evening, and then behind it the wind shift to the northwest, and here's Sunday again. We have nothing to worry about over this area at all for the next couple days after that. One thing that's going to be changing with this is you're going to have an air mass that's even cooler than the one we just had, with winds coming out of Canada here, and you have temperatures that will be in some areas will be struggling to get out of the 70s. Might be below 70. Draw a line right here to here. Anything north of there would probably be staying in the 70s early next week. So we're not looking at anything impressive as far as a heat wave coming. We may not have any heat waves coming until at least the middle of August, it's looking like. So August is not starting out like a typical August. It's going to be feature below normal temperatures. A lot of these troughs that keep jumping in here every other day here in the east. And it really won't be able to make up its mind between a west to east zonal flow, which will be present some days, and then other days we'll have these big troughs that'll settle in here, and with the trough in place, you'll have that colder Canadian air coming down here, and you'll have temperatures, low humidity, and upper 70s to near 80 degrees for highs, especially as we get into early next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich, and that is our outlook for Wednesday, July 31st, 2013. Have a great day.